Okay, what I've got here is a fuel gauge out of a Type 1, Type 2 Volkswagen. And as some of you know, we've been having trouble with getting a full swing on the gauge with the existing 5.1 volt regulator. And it's because the internal resistance of the new gauges are 30 ohms instead of 15 like the OEM gauge is. So what we've had to do is do a little testing and come up with a regulation voltage that will allow for a full swing on the gauge. And what we've done is come up with the regulator change, which I'm going to show you here. This is an aftermarket 5.1 volt Zener regulator, and it will run a 5.1 volt 15 ohm type gauge just fine, not the 30 ohm. So we had to make a change. What we did is clip the internal Zeners off and installed an external Zener here of 7.5 volts. Internally, there may be a resistor in there for a load, or there may be a bulb. And they both work the same once you get it all together. There's no difference in the way they perform. So what we had to do is we put a little extra solder on the top, because some guys were saying that this lug comes loose and then you start having trouble. I haven't experienced that, nor have I seen any high temperatures at all on all the regulators I've been working with. So I only see about 80 degrees at the most with full current going through it. So what we're doing now, I'm going to show you in the next video how we're going to adjust the needle so that it will give you full swing at the 7.5 volt regulating voltage. So you'll get a full swing, and if you don't, then you're only going to get about 3/4 of a tank, and I don't think it'll give you a true empty either. So without any ado, we'll go to the next video.